Okay, so a simple standard form question. Now, the best, easiest way of doing this is, first of all, write the decimal down, 9.6. And although you're discouraged from moving the decimal point at all times, on standard form I find it much, much easier. Now, first thing to note is if the power of the 10 is negative, which it is here, it means we've got a very small number. If it's positive, we've got a very big number. Now, we need to know this because if we're going to have a very big number, we're going to jump the decimal point to the right. If we're going to have a very small number, which we do here, we're going to jump it to the left. Now, it says -7, so we're going to jump it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the decimal point is going to end up here. Now, all those jumps that we did, we need to fill them in with zeros. And you normally start a decimal with 0 point, so we're going to add another 0 there. So it's going to be 0.00000096. Don't ever put 2 decimal points in, okay? We've moved the decimal point to the new position. You'll never have a decimal with 2 decimal points. Now I'm just going to double check the 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now to make a number standard form, write the number out, 23500. Okay. And first of all, work out where the decimal point is now. Well, if it's not shown, it's always at the end of the number, so it's here. Now we've got to figure out where we want it to go. Now, the number in standard form, the decimal that precedes it, or the number that's before the times 10 to the power of something, has to be between 1 and 10, but not 10. Okay, so if I move the decimal point, so if I'm going to jump it, so we're going to do one jump, that's not quite right, that's going to be 2,350, that's way above 10. 2, that's 235, still above 10. 3, that's 23.5, we're close, but we're still above 10. And 4. If we put it in there, then we get 2.35, which is between 1 and 10. And we jumped it 4 times. Now remember what I said before, if it's a big number, it's a positive. If it's a small number, it's a negative. Well, this is a big number, 23,500. That's a big number. So it's going to be positive, and it's going to be positive 4.